Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to be making a video about fixing the clicking sound on the home button. I don't know if you can hear that on the iPhone 8 Plus. So I think it's basically the Taptic engine probably is loose. I'm going to be opening it up. I'm going to need to take off the screen and try to tighten up the Taptic engine of the phone and see if that fixes it. Okay. First of all, you want to take off the bottom screws. 2 screws at the bottom. Apply alcohol to the tip of the screen to loosen up the glue, so it'll be easier to use the prying tool to get the screen out. That's what I'm basically doing here. Get alcohol all in there. Because you don't want to struggle too much when you're taking the screen off. Now I'm going to take my prying tool and dig in. Yep, definitely some strong glue in there. Put some more alcohol in there. Now I'll do the other side. Now that I've taken apart some of the glue, I'm gonna go here to the side and prop open, raise it up a little bit, go over here to the other side and do the same thing. You want to be careful because you don't want to crack the screen, right? If the screen was already cracked and you wanted to like just mess around with it, that would be fine, but I'm trying to be careful because I do not want to mess up the screen. Now I've basically gotten both sides relatively open. Simply raise, and I like to pull down a little bit since I've already put glue in there. Since I've already put alcohol in there, apply a little bit more alcohol to the top here because the top glue tends to be a little bit stronger. Just drag down a little bit there. You also could use your pry tool, but you know, I do this a lot, so I know where not to put too much pressure on. There we go. So now we got the phone open. You gotta be careful. Make sure that, you know, you're not putting too much pressure on the cables, the flex cables. And now I'm just gonna try to tighten up the Taptic engine, which is these screws here, and also tighten up the home button bracket. You can see a little bit that I had to use a little bit of I had to screw these a little bit in more. So I'm also going to try to tighten the home button bracket here. The middle screw seemed a little bit loose there. So let's see if that makes a little bit of a difference. No more clicking sound. No more clicking sound. Now that's what I'm talking about. Easy fix. So that's all I needed to do. I'm just gonna put the phone back together and we're good to go. Make sure everything is in order. Yep, everything is in order. No more clicking sound. We're good to go. So I basically just put the screen back together. And we're good to go. Just make sure the glue is not in the way. Make sure nothing's in the way. Everything looks good. So now I just put the bottom screws back together. That was quick and easy, wouldn't you say? Alright, everything looks good. I'm just gonna clean it up, clean up the glue. And that should be it. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.